He is inaugurating dream project of Rotary Club of Delhi North Center for Mental Health, which is the first of its type in the entire northern India. You can give a clap for it. I congratulate Rotary Club President Ashok Mittal and all the Rotarians who have generously contributed for this noble project. When this project was being conceived, so there was a concern, there was some apprehension, how we will be able to generate so much funds. The project is costing about 1.4 crore rupees. So I told the club members to come forward and lead from the front in this regard, because I firmly believe लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती और हिम्मत करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. And this has proven with the help of Rotarians and Rotary Foundation within India and internationally. And when we were discussing who should be the person to inaugurate this novel project, who should be the chief guest in this event, believe me, the first and foremost name come to our mind was that of the best performing Union Minister of India, Shri Nitin Gadkari. And we are obliged that in spite of his very, very busy schedule, he agreed to come and bless us and inaugurate this important project. I am told by Gadkari ji, he was delayed because they had an evening tea with Modi ji at Modi ji's house. So you can see the busyness of this minister. So a big clap that in spite of very busy schedule, he is here. Thank you very much, sir. मैं श्रद्धेय अटल जी की एक कुछ पंक्तियां उनकी कविता से आपके व्यक्तित्व को समर्पित करना चाहता हूं. एक उनकी कविता में था, क्या हार में क्या जीत में, क्या हार में क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में, कर्तव्य पथ पर जो मिला ये भी सही वो भी सही, हार नहीं मानूंगा ठार नहीं ठानूंगा, काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूँ, मैं गीत नया गाता हूँ, मैं गीत नया गाता हूँ. जो पूरे हिंदुस्तान में रोड्स का जो जाल बिछाया, एक रोड खत्म होती है, एक हाईवे खत्म होता है, दूसरा शुरू हो जाता है और एक नया गीत से उसकी शुरुआत होती है. धन्य है आप सब. We live in exciting times of extraordinary uncertainty, especially after the COVID period, where everything seems to be in transformation, but these are also the testing times for the leaders like you and us, leaders like Rotarians, where we find opportunity in every challenge. Because I remember two lines, पत्थर जो चोट खा के बिखर गया, पत्थर जो चोट खा के बिखर गया वो कंकड़ बन गया, और पत्थर जो चोट सह के निखर गया वो शंकर बन गया. हम हिंदुस्तान के लोग कोविड की चोट खाकर विश्व में सबसे शक्तिमान होकर उभरे हैं. इसलिए हमारे मिनिस्टर्स, हमारे नेता, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री इस बात के लिए बधाई के पात्र हैं. Yes. For your country, you need a big round of applause for your country and for the leaders who have been acknowledged throughout the world as the world-class leader. We have taken up this project. Apart from this project, we have taken another project worth 1.6 crore, distributing 1500 e-tablet duly loaded with the educational program of 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th for the needy students, needy and deserving students in UP, Delhi and Haryana, which falls in our district. This curriculum is also loaded there. The incoming Rotary International President, Gordon McLeany, has laid top emphasis on mental health. When he came to know about our district project and Delhi North taking up this project of mental health, he has sent a message. I would like to read for you this project, the message which we have received from RI President 2324. Dear esteemed members of RC Delhi North, it's my honor to congratulate you on the Delhi North CIMS Center for Mental Health. Your club's inspiring accomplishment reflects Rotary's commitment to service ourselves. It is also testament to your club's devotion to its member, your community, and world we all share. As our vision statement says, together we see a world where people united and take action to create lasting change across the globe, in our communities and in ourselves. As I have earlier said, on issues of related to mental health, that reaching out help is courageous and continuing on a path towards wellness is even more so. Any mental health professional will tell you that by helping others, we essentially help ourselves. Your work is evidence that Rotary is a source of hope within and beyond our membership. Thank you for being active Rotary leaders who create the hope in the world. With warmest regard, President, Rotary International 2324. Yeah. Friends, we have signed an MOU with CIMS about this project that 33% of the total cases will be for the poor people and will be free of cost, no fees for the diagnosis or for anything else, for testing, treatment will be charged. Another 33% for Rotarians and their families and their friends would be on 50% of the normal price. The rest of the 33% they will do on commercial basis to run and this project to be self-sufficient in future. So, Honorable Minister, देश और समाज के लिए बहुत कुछ किया, लेकिन बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है. हमें भी, रोटेरियंस को भी, गवर्नमेंट को भी, और हम सभी रोटेरियन आपके दिशा निर्देश में किसी भी सामाजिक कार्य को, किसी भी सामाजिक जिम्मेवारी को लेने के लिए, उठाने के लिए तत्पर हैं आपके निगरानी में. To conclude, I would again like to repeat few lines of Atal ji, who is very close to my heart, and these lines are also very close to my heart, since I have said we have done too much, but lot is to be done. आओ फिर से दिया जलाएं, आओ फिर से दिया जलाएं, भरी दोपहरी में अंधियारा, सूरज परछाई से हारा, अंतरतम का नेह निचोड़ें, बुझी हुई बाती सुलगाएं, आओ फिर से दिया जलाएं. With these words, I once again thank you for gracious presence in this function. Thank you very much. And I would now request the Honorable Minister and Rotary International Director to kindly inaugurate this.
Just behind me, sir.